what you're going to be doing here is creating a drop-down menu inside of Excel in Excel 365. So basically we got some data here. We have several cells that are populated, and we have a column that has cells that are not populated. What we're going to do is take this cell and we're going to create a drop-down menu that contains all of the values that were previously used in these other cells. So with the cell highlighted, in this case it's C2, I'm going to come up to data on the menu, and then want to come over to data validation, select that, and the allow drop down, you want to select list. And then when you get to the source field, which will become visible once you select list in the allow field, you basically here you want to go back to the cells that you would like, that contain the values that you would like to have displayed inside of the drop down, and you just click and then drag. And if you'll notice, in the source field, it becomes populated with data. In this case, it's essentially showing the source will be all of the information in cells B2 through B4. I'm going to release my mouse over here, and then I'm going to click the apply button. And now if you come back to your cell C2, look in the drop down, all of your options are available, and you have created a drop down menu in Excel 365. If you found this video useful, be sure to click the like button. If you would like to be notified of future videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Also, take a look at some of our other videos that are related to this particular subject.